need to set the time. Wait. Set the weather to clear weather. Alright, that's better.
But then I get to that one.
No more rain and thunder. Alright, so
But I turn you into this one.
why is everybody crowding me?
That's the mama goat.
So
The granny goat has the
let's
eyes
see.
closed. That goat has one eye. Even if it looks like on the other side he has one, it has one. They can go in.
We've only been recording for a minute.
I can't. It has to be the same goat.
Right. Oh man, look at my hunger. I did. You know what that calls for?
But then you're the
Some raw mutton. Alright. Chicken! Alright. Oops, that was embarrassing. What just happened?
If you have blue shoes, you're under arrest. So I can get the bride?
Yeah.
I can't. You have to be the same goat.
I don't have blue shoes.
You have to go in the one.
You're under cardiac arrest.
What the heck is that?
Cardiac arrest? Oh, you don't want to know what that is.
Yes, I do.
No, I'm not going to tell you. It's not school appropriate. Yay, I got seeds, and that's very good. I also have a bow, but I don't have any arrows.
My brother got me that.
But what I do want to do is mine.
Can you go in the water?
Yeah?
First, oh, God.
What do you want to do?
Steven, I made a new goal!
Seriously, why is everything crowding me?
Steven, I made a new goal. What?
Alright, this was... Oh, wait.
Look at my new goat. You want to see a cool goat? I got all the way out here.
Alright.
Look at this.
I don't know. Ah, dude.
Actually, I have to because I will count. Well, I play my brother. I got one.
Dude, do you want to... If you don't want to be in my video, then get out of here, please. They're smart. Alright, well, guys, that was embarrassing. Bear. Well, that's actually a cow. Okay, that was embarrassing for him. Alright. This spider is my best friend.
Why don't you just get the spider?
No, I already have a bow. I don't need the spider anymore. Dude, stop.
Why you both that?
Move a little bit. Thank you.
Why not? Try to make it fair.
Dude, can you just be my best friend? Please? Alright, dude. Dude. Mr. Spider. We can be best friends.
Well, guys,
Mr. Spider, remember we're best friends, or else I'll kill you. Okay, I'm just gonna kill you anyway. I'm gonna seek out a sheep.
now you can both see that.
Oh, whoa, mine. And it. And this is all the
Oh, watch out for the Anthony. Be sure about those cave spiders.
Yeah, there are no cave spiders in here, I bet. Or else I'll kill them with my iron sword up in here.